Hello friends, how are you? I hope you will fine. Premier League clubs are desperately ramping up their transfer plans with the window drawing ever closer to shutting. Manchester United continue to their scramble for a new left-back following Luke Shaw's early injury, but they're running out of time to get a transfer over the line with the window drawing to a close on September 1. Erik ten Hag knows he needs to reinforce in defense following Shaw's muscle injury, with Tyrell Malacia also out with a huge clash against Arsenal awaiting his side next weekend at the Emirates. And the Red Devils may look close to home to strengthen in the left-back department. Meanwhile, Mohamed Salah's future is still dominating headlines amid interest from Saudi Arabia, while Tottenham are still on the hunt for a Harry Kane replacement following his move to Bayern Munich a couple of weeks ago. Below Express Sport will run you through the latest transfer news from across the Premier League and Europe.